Hi, this is the video tutorial on how to use my jewelry inventory tracker. So if you sell jewelry, this is helpful, or if this is something that you need to track your own personal inventory for an insurance claim, this spreadsheet will still help you. So I'm going to show you both ways. First of all, we are on the inventory tab. And so this is the main tab to show you and calculate what you've got in your inventory. So we've got number on the left, and this can be, changed out. Goodness, it can. You can change the number if you want. There, the date, easy double click in here, or you can just highlight the whole thing, hit delete, and then put your date in manually. I've got a place for category. So hair, head, neck, arms, hands, body, feet, type. So this would be anything. So if you've got tiaras, chokers, necklaces, pendants, bangles, if I could spell it right, bangle, bracelet, cufflinks, rings, whatever. There's tons of that to write in. And then size, I didn't do a drop down box here because the size could be for a ring, so it could be size 4 to 11, or you could do small, medium, large. So you can just type in the size for however you want. Color, I have a place for just the main colors that I could think of. And then if you wanted to edit this, you'd hit the edit button and then you just add another drop down box here, and put in, purple or whatever, and hit done, apply to all, and then it's going to change all of them on that row. And then now you'll have purple. Isn't that fun? And if you didn't like it, you hit Control C and undo it. If you've got a place for birthstones, I put the most common stones on here. These were just the birthstones that were the most popular ones. Again, if you want to edit and add anything special, just add another item there. Sure. All right, quantity. So you would put the quantity, say you have 10. The price, say they're $10 each. And then the value would be $100. The appraised value, this is if you had, this is more for the home jewelry owners. If you needed to, collect all of this information for, an insurance claim, and then you just would type in the appraised value of the item, and then this is going to calculate all of your total appraised value at the top. The total value here, this is just the regular value of the products and not an appraised value. So that totals this up here on this section. And then some items have an identification number, and again, that's usually for home jewelry owners, and you could put that there. If you had any other items you wanted to put a description or anything else, you could do that. If you wanted to make this column bigger, you would just slide it to the right and have a longer place for description. Okay, so that is the main part here, and then we're going to go to more of the business jewelry owners here. So we're going to go down to dashboard. This is going to show your total number of orders that you've got, your total revenue, your net profit, pending orders, and today's date. All of that is going to be coming from this orders tab here. And then there's a place for to do. So if you have a to do, you can write that in. Everything else in here, this is all just a manual or just an automatic calculation from the orders tab. So you don't have to do anything. The only thing that you can really add in is stuff on the to-do list. But this will show you your, your items that are in your orders that are in progress, ready to ship, shipped and delivered. And then it'll show you your progress if you've got some that are ready to ship, and then most are in progress. At the top here, we've got quantity sold. So everything on this column will add up completely for you, and you'll give you a total quantity sold here. Your total profit, it's everything from this column. It's added up here. That's your net profit. From left to right, you've got the number, the date, the category, type, size, color. People have asked me this before, but the inventory does not communicate with the orders tab, just to make that clear. This is all just a manual calculation. The only thing that communicates is the dashboard and the orders. All right, so anyways, you've got color, stone, if it's on clearance or not, if it's a special category for a holiday, if it's sold out, how many have sold, the price, discount, what the fees were, shipping cost, and your net profit. So if you sold one, you sold it for $20, you gave a discount of $1, fees of $1, shipping for 5, then your net profit is 13. You can do status for in progress, new, ready to ship, shipped, or delivered. Okay, so that's it, how to use the order tracker. And then the README section, once I'm done with this video, the link to watch this video will be here. So that's it, guys. I hope this spreadsheet helps you. Feel free to reach out. And if you found me on YouTube, click on the link in the description below to purchase the spreadsheet. We have tons more. Bless you. This is the second video I've made that you've sneezed. That's hilarious. All right, guys. Well, have a good day and reach out if you need me. Thanks. Bye.